Hey, what's happening? Alright, yeah, we've been gone for a while. We've been a little busy. I apologize for that. I don't know if you guys see this and you guys can make plans. I don't know how many of you are familiar with Kent Rose Memorial Arm Drop Revival. It happens Cobes County Airport, and it's down by Paintersville, Kentucky. Anyway, it's Friday, August 30th this year, and 31st on Saturday. Friday night's going to be Test and Tune, and they're going to have a live band there. I think it was called Guns for Hire. We're going to get down there. If you guys want to come down and hang out with us, we're going to be there, me and Amanda. We're going to run something Saturday. It all depends on what we get done and how things work out. So, basically, I've been running around, driving the car. The car's been running awesome and all that. I broke it last night, typical. I don't know, I have a fueling issue. I don't know, I'm not even sure what happened there, but you know what happens, under boosting only has to go lean for a split second. It went so fast that the safeties couldn't even catch it. It's not a big deal, but it is a big deal, I guess, because now it's Tuesday the 27th. We got to leave out of here on Thursday the 29th, and we got a broken engine. And we're not going to get parts to fix this engine because I'm almost positive I've scored a cylinder wall in this block, so I just say it's done. However, plans are already made. We're going to go. So what's going to happen is here in about 3 hours, I'm going to go pick up a rusty crud filled junkyard 4.8 that, believe it or not, the guy's gimmicked me because it's in such poor shape. He did take the cylinder heads off of it. That's not a big deal. We got a set of 706s we can slap on it, so we're not concerned about that. So we're going to pull the 6.0 out real quick, pull our cam, our lifters, clean the cylinder bores up a little bit in the 4.8. He said there's a little bit of surface rust. I'll run a 3-stone home through it. I'm going to slap it all together, throw the turbo kit on it. Hopefully get to at least take it out here, make a couple pulls in Mexico, and load it on a trailer and go to the Arm Drop Revival. So, looks like I got my work cut out for me. Let's do this, right? We can do it. I mean, you can't finish something, or you can't do well at something if you don't start. So I know in a lot of motive things, I tell that people all the time, man, the biggest thing that limits people from learning about working on cars or the ability to work on cars is the fear of actually just getting in there and doing it. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna pull this motor out right now, start tearing it apart. In about 2 hours, I'm gonna leave. It's about a 40-minute drive. Pick up the 4.8, get it back here, get it mounted on the edge of the stand, get everything swapped over. Try to get this car running either, if not tonight, we'll have it running tomorrow. And it's going to be fun. So, thanks for hanging in there. We'll talk to you guys in a little bit. And remember, guys, you can always sleep in your car, but you can't race your house. So, part 2 coming soon.